Boom. Hello, ladies and gents. So, welcome. What's going on? As you see, dark outside. And yeah, I did clean up a little bit. As you can see, space, room, awesome. Yips. There's few PC left, branded one. So I will use them for make a video. That's why they are saved for now. I did find out like few server blades. That's awesome. Maybe for video or just for scrap. It's always good scrap. And this nice pile of relays. It's also cool. I'm gonna take them apart. I don't know, even on the video or maybe just take them apart. But look what's inside. All gold plated connectors. Awesome. And I got access to this little bugger. So I can get rid of those pile in here. I can get rid of this pile in there, what is a little bit covered because I saw some bulbs. Energy saving, standard one. Oh, empty bucket, awesome. To the empty buckets, almost. And there's big pile as well of the wire to strip. There's some thicker stuff, and yeah, just some trash. Anyway, as far as I got access to it, I'm gonna get rid of all the alu, and I set up one bucket here, and one second bucket right in here. And this thingy, nice and ready to go. So let's hit run button. Boom. Oh, why so slow? Ting 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 ting. Frequency inverter, that's the cool stuff what those thingy does. You can adjust the speed without losing power. But oh wait. I think I do going the wrong way. Yeah, the blade's turning this way, so if I put something inside, that's not gonna take it in, I guess. Nope. Definitely nope. Come on. Who reset that thingy? Okay, how was it? This button, front, eye out, means FR. Yeah, let's change this thingy for reverse. Enter. Run. There we go. Now we're spinning other way, so I can just feed those thing in here, and in here it's gonna just come out like so. And this thingy is cut it or not? Is it? Yes, it is. Boom. Look at that. Look at that tiny split at the end. Can I do it with one-handed? Sure I can. Oh, come on. There we go. Boom. Trash. Copper. Okie dokie, so ladies and gents, let me play with that and we will all see later on what I came out with of this pile, and let's see how much I can do out of that. Anyway, so see you then. Let's twist up the rotation and then get to work. See ya. Boom, ladies and gents. Yep, so far so good. Get bench empty of wires. There was also like hided pile in there. And that's the leftover. And that's the material. Awesome. Not crazy a lot, but yeah, I guess about maybe 4 or 5 kilos so far. Something like that. Anyway, place is clean, so it's time to get into this pile and so on. And I get a little bit tired and I feel a little bit in my fingers, then I'm supposed to switch to something else. So in between, I think I'm gonna take apart like few CPU heatsinks and just clean up some extruded alu. There's still plenty left, so okie dokie. So ladies and gents, so far so good. And yeah, I will come back when I continue with the stripping and we will see how much copper we end up of that pile and if I will be able to fill this up and maybe wait. So see you then. Bum, bum, bum. Boom, ladies and gents, got some piggy video running. And as you can see, finished up with the heatsink, CPU heatsink. They're legging some copper out of them. Yeah, all good stuff. One was even fully nice, chunky, heavy piece of copper. I added to it and begin to cut down and prepare another pile from there. And I almost halfway through, that was big pile in here and big pile all over here. And then I find out a microwave and some books. What, I have no idea what is inside. Anyway, so far the new pile looking like so. That's the leftovers from the pile what was here on the bench before. That's the end result of copper so far. Begin to get heavy. And there is like few heatsink with the stackers inside. So I got to use the grinder to release them. Yeah, few of them. And that bucket get filled with the extruded alu. And this one get a little bit fitted with the cast alu. That just bottoms and yeah, some pieces of that heatsinks. They're just simple alu, just some fins. I find out the new way to peel them off. That's quite easy. But not work for each and every one. When the fins is thin, that's working well. When the fins is thicker like here, that's not really working so well. Because in here base we also got copper. You can see it in here. And the fins are alu. And as far you got fins like this thickness, for example. They come out from this little bugger. I believe E-Waste Mike showed it exactly the same piece at some point. But I guess he just desoldered it because they are soldered on. Anyway, how it's working? You just put the thingy in the vise like so and just squeeze it, and most of the fins just rip away. Sometimes you can go like so. So one side of the heatsink it's based on the jaws, and the second one rip away all the fins. And the end result look like, no, not this one, not this one. Oh, There's the actually one copper fins what I rip off this way. As you can see, the whole fins coming off from the base, cast alu base. Yeah, they were just squeezed. And wait, I don't have this. No, it must be somewhere here. Somewhere here. Come on, little. Oh, stand, don't fall. Why are you trying to fall? Stand, stupid thingy. Oh yeah, that's the clean result and effect of squeezing them in the vise. So, ooh, another one. Oh, that was the fins. The copper fins was on this one actually. That was nice, big server ones. And those are on here, like so. So all what I did, I just set it in the vise and just squeeze them off. Boom. So ladies and gents, new trick learned. But as I said, for the thicker stuff, not always working. Like in here, it's rip away like few of them. And then, yeah, same deal in here. They were the similar kind. They're just holding too strong. Maybe probably too big surface and this is too thick. Anyway, so let's continue on the copper. As you can see, those two green boxes, milk crates, were filled with the heat sinks. Now they are gone. In one bucket, yeah, I got so much left of those one bucket and two milk crates. And I did find out, yeah, last time I was sorting some brassy stuff, unused part, leftovers from work and so on. Plenty of brass in here and all other different weird, unused, totally new stuff. I gotta drop it into the car so I can use them. And I found one more bucket with the heatsink for the laptops. So, yeah, that's gonna be scrapped as well, and copper will be added in here. Fans go to this box, and my wheelie bin outside with the fans is already full. So, it's time to get rid of it. So soon, probably, I will take a short drive to the scrapyard. And yeah, one more thingy, what I have in here. Look at these wires. That's really old stuff. They didn't got plastic or gummy or anything on them. They got some cloth. And that is really old. I believe that's around 100 years old, because I take them out actually from this building. Upstairs I removed some, as I renovating one flat, I got to remove some old installation. And this building was built in 1990s. 1919, yeah. 1919, yeah. And they were pushed through that steel pipe. And as well, for the connection, they were used that ceramic blocks. That's awesome. Cool. Anyway, so ladies and gents, let's continue on. Let's get rid of that microwave. And there is few more roll of wire what I got to cut into the shorter, much better and easier manageable size to it. Because yeah, it sucks when you feed it through and then it hits the wall and then you got to bend it and so on. It's much easier when with smaller size. And actually there is little buggy with the name on it. So that's gonna be packaged for Breezy. I just gotta pack it and then send it. Anyway, I will manage that one day. Okie dokie, so let me continue on cutting those wires and we will see what we end up with. So see you for now. Boom, ladies and gents, got it all done, I guess, all except the thick wires. And I'm not sure about this one. There's quite decent amount of copper in them, but they are covered with the nickel or something, and they are very fine wire, so my stripper isn't as good on that kind of wires. But yeah, the thick stuff left over, that's gonna be easy and quite fast. And for those, to make it shorter, I'm gonna use this little bandsaw out there. But yeah, I do all the thin stuff, and that's the pile. Ladies and gents, that took a little while, but oh well, it's all done now. So now's the fun part left to do, just to put all this through this little thingy and get the clean copper out. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it today or not, because it's like almost 9 o'clock. Not too bad yet. Okay, maybe a little bit, a few pieces, but not so much. Anyway, so that's the effect for now. Nice little pile ready to go, and boom, more stuff uncovered. Some engines, quite big one. This is actually the pancake maker, big thingy. Oh, there you are. I'm looking for you for an ages. That's my hammer. Dang, I was looking for it. 2 kilos, very helpful. Okay, I got it. Awesome. So, ladies and gents, see you later on.